Here we have the Sony a7R4 using the 24mm G Master. We're in Super 35 XAVCS 4K 30p 100 megabits a second, and we're using picture profile 10, which is HLG. We've got the detail down to -7 and the saturation at +15. Everything else is set to default, and that is per settings of Leeming LUT Pro. So according to the PDF, this is exactly how Leeming LUT Pro wants to be set up, and of course we're also exposing to the right as detailed in the video on the Leeming LUT page. So according to everything, this is exactly how the Leeming LUT should indeed look. We've now changed the knee to auto, which is what it specifies on the PDF. PP10 on the A7R4 has it at manual, so just to be sure, we've now set it to auto, saturation +15, and this is HLG. I've now reset picture profile 10, and we've gone for HLG3, detail -7, everything else the same, which means the knee has gone to manual. Saturation is at 0. This is HLG3 with the knee now set to auto, detail -7, saturation of 0. This is HLG3, detail -7, knee auto with a saturation of +15. This is HLG3, detail -7 with a saturation of +10, knee auto. This is HLG3, detail -7 with a saturation of +5, knee auto. So that's the test complete. What one looked the best to you? Leave me a comment, let me know, and as usual guys, it's been emotional.